Hey friends, today we're going to do our Look Closely insect match. On your little packet here you'll have a sheet with a larger picture of the animal, a whole picture of the animal, and then a second sheet where there's a close-up little bit of the first picture. So what you're going to do first is take these close-up pictures, you should have two, and then we're going to cut these out. Got all of my close-up pictures cut out. I went ahead and cut off the words too. We can use these in a little bit for some of our older preschoolers. But first, you want to set these aside, and then they're going to use their magnifying glass, and you're going to tell them they get to examine and study their bugs up close, and they can use this to kind of look at all the different parts of the bug and talk about what they notice. What do they see? What kind of legs does it have? And does it have antenna like this ant? Does it have wings? Some of these bugs have wings, some of them don't. What colors do they see? Do they see any eyes on their bug? You can ask them all kinds of different questions about what they notice. After they've had a little bit of time to explore and you talk about the name of each bug, you can introduce these close-up pictures and tell them that these are some magnified versions. So we used our magnifying glass here to look up close. These are some magnified versions of our bigger pictures here. And then their challenge is to see if they can find which bug this matches with. So I noticed this one has some stripes and a long body and lots of legs. Where bug matches with this one? Oh, look, there's a bug. The caterpillar has some stripes and long legs. What part of the caterpillar is this? Oh, I noticed, look, do you see the antenna? And this must be the close-up version, so I'm going to put this on top here. I found a match. Let's find my next one. This one has some wings and it's red. Which insect do you see that has wings and red? This one has wings, but it's not red. It doesn't quite look like that. Oh, what about this one? This one has wings and it's red. It must be the close-up part of the middle of this dragonfly. So I found another match. And they're just going to keep going like this though. They found all the matches. And feel free to help your child if this is a little bit tricky for them at first until they get the hang of it. For older preschoolers, after they've found the picture matches, you can do the word matches. So you can start at first just by doing the word, and then they can find the same word and match it on here. Oh, dragonfly. Dragonfly, they both have a D at the beginning. Those match. They can find all the matches there. If they want even more of a challenge, then you can use just the picture and then see if they can match it to the word here. So I know this is my close-up picture of a dragonfly, so that would match with that one. So I'm sure there's some other ways you can play around and have fun with these too, but that is our close-up bug picture match, friends, and I hope you have fun with this. I will see you next time. Bye.